Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And if you are new to the Blender, then welcome. Let's see. Today we know about the basics of Blender. Wait. Blender. This is the starting screen if you want the Blender. Okay. Uh, Firstly, where we are using Blender and why we are using Blender. Like in Hollywood movies for animation and for VFX like Avenger and other game movies, we are using Blender. We are also using Blender for making games and animations also. Okay, that's in Blender you can do modeling, sculpting, UV editing, texture paint, shading animation, and so many things you can do according to your mind. What you want to do, you can do. Okay. Let's see. Starting of the screen, you can see here. You can see one cube. This is the camera for recording anything, and if you are doing animation, this is useful for you. And this is light, like a full studio. So starting, we don't want this light and camera. So we delete it. Now let's see. This is our starting cube. Okay. In Blender, if you are using, you know about some hotkeys like scale, then E for extrude means increasing the size, this length, then you know about G for grip, for this one. If you select this one, you use grip. Mm, Here you can see this cursor to grip, cursor to hold origin, cursor to selected. If you are pressing Shift plus S to activate this alls. Okay, see, if you press G, you can take this cube freely anywhere. You can fix it. Okay, if you are using G. Now we'll start. If you press S for scale, for increasing the what is your length, diameter, full cube, you can increase. Okay, so you can see how much I want to increase. I can increase. Okay. Now if you see, this cube is having no colors. Now we can use to put some colors in that cube. So we will go to shading. Okay, sorry guys if you are having if you facing so many problems because of mic, because I'm not using mic now, so sorry for that. Okay, now here you can see, here no color is there. So starting, what we will do, go the here. Yeah, see, directly you can move it here. Okay, you can see this thing came here. Now take this color to here, connect this one to here. Okay, go to here, picture color. Now you can see, now it is fully colored. Okay, now go for UV editing. Now you can see full colors you can. If you want to make some colors, like what we will do, first I'll make it perfect. Okay, I'll make it small because half a screen I can't see, I can't do full operation and all, so I'll make it small. See, can see here small. According to you, how you can set that, you can set it. Okay? You can see here. For selecting all things at one time, you can use A. Okay, like here you can see. If you want to change full color, okay, then Control A, press A, it will automatically select full cube. Then go here. First, here you can set texture, then backface clearly and X-ray. I'll always use this one. Shadow X-ray I don't want. Sorry, I'll include the shadow here. 30. Now you can see. Okay. Now here for selecting all, here you can go. Here you can press A to select all. You will use scale. Make it small. Okay. Hmm. Now it's too small. Okay, now we will use the starting one. I said that if you want to move anything any place, you can use G for grab. First you play first you press A, then G to grab here. Okay, which color you want, you can go give, like I want green color, so move here. Now you can see it's fully green. Okay, if you want to change this upper color, like first face, go here. See, you can here you can see this is the vertex. Vertex means what, you know, this one, this is the vertex. If you want to use, you know, this one is edge, like this one. If you want to color this edge, you can use this one. I want to select faces, so I'll go for this. See, faces, I selected this one. I need to color it this one red, so I'll do this one. Okay, I'll do A, then G. Simply I'll go there, we'll make it red. See, not colored red. Now you know how to do coloring and all. Okay, in Blender you can do some if you want to increase this, then what you will do, you can use extrude option. Like select the face, use button E, press the button E. See, simply you can use extrude. How much you want to extrude, you can extrude. Okay, like from here also you can do this. See, it's too much easy. How much you want to increase, you can increase. If you know the hotkeys, you can easily do whatever you want. Okay, it is easy to be operate Blender. Okay, and the starting one is say, if you know how to do, see, I will do something. Okay, texture, yes, escape, mouse is not working. See how much you want to make and make, then extrude, yes, escape, extrude, yes, escape, extrude, yes, escape, extrude, yes, escape, extrude, yes, extrude, yes, escape. Like see, something is there, but I don't know what is there, but something. Okay, if you know all the hotkeys, this is the basics. what you have to do starting. If you know very well, you can do this and all. Okay. See, with the help of basics only, I made this one. With the help of this one texture print, I colored all this and all. This is chessboard. Okay, this is the green color I used. Then with the help of it extrude and the S scale, I made this. With the help of this one, you can use mirror option and copy. You can make the full like this. Okay, later I'll show you how to make chessboard and how to make the all the chess characters. Okay, you can with the help of blender you can make cars also. You can see here car, then you can make girl. Whatever you want to do you can do in blender. Okay guys, we'll meet you in next video. Then if you like this content, if you like this video, then like and subscribe and share. Thank you for this. Bye bye.